The Riddle of the Enchanted Forest. Once upon a time, there was a brave little rabbit named Rilo who lived in a cozy burrow at the edge of the Enchanted Forest. One sunny afternoon, Rilo heard whispers of a hidden treasure deep inside the forest. But the treasure wasn't easy to find. It was guarded by a wise old owl who loved riddles. Excited and curious, Rilo decided to venture into the forest to find the treasure. As Rilo hopped along the winding path, he came across a tall tree where the owl was perched. The owl looked down at Rilo and said, "To find the treasure you seek, you must solve my 3 riddles. If you answer correctly, the treasure will be yours. If not, you must return home." Rilo nodded bravely and asked, "What's the first riddle, wise owl?" The owl hooted softly and said, "Riddle 1. I am always hungry. I must always be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I?" Rilo thought for a moment, his ears twitching. Then he smiled and said, "Fire." The owl blinked its big eyes and nodded. "Correct, little one. Now for the second riddle." Riddle 2. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for more than 5 minutes. What am I? Rilo scratched his chin and then answered confidently, "Breath." The owl clapped its wings. "Well done. Now for the final riddle." Riddle 3. I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. What am I? Rilo thought long and hard, his nose twitching with excitement. Finally, he shouted, "A candle!" The owl chuckled and flapped its wings. "You have solved all my riddles, brave Rilo. The treasure is yours." Rilo's eyes widened as the owl flapped its wings, revealing a shimmering chest hidden beneath the tree. The chest opened, and inside was a golden key. The owl smiled. "This is the key to knowledge and adventure. It will unlock new paths and mysteries wherever you go." Rilo thanked the owl and returned to his burrow, excited to use his new key to explore the world and solve even more riddles. Morale: the key to adventure is curiosity, and with a little clever thinking, any challenge can be overcome. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Sprouts Cottage. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more fun and learning.